stand by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for central Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 10 p.m. At 9:26 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles west of Atlanta moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. A tornado has not been sighted, however Doppler radar indicates strong rotation with this storm. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Piedmont Park and Turner Field. If you see wind damage, large hail or significant flooding, wait until after the storm has passed and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466.